A remarkable finding calls into question our understanding of the world's biggest creatures. The extinct whale Parusetus colossus, or the colossal whale from Peru, is competing for the distinction of biggest mammal ever. This massive marine monster is giving the current champion, the blue whale, a run for its money. The gigantic skeleton remains of this giant monster were discovered in Peru's Ica Desert, a location that was once underwater and is now known for its marine fossils. They tell the story of an animal of astounding proportions. Each of its vertebrae weighs more than 220 pounds, and its ribs span about 5 feet. Dr. Hans Thewissen of Northeast Ohio Medical University, a paleontologist, did not take part in the study. He expressed his excitement over the discovery, saying, "It's just exciting to see such a giant animal that's so different from anything we know." The massive Parusetus colossus fossils, believed to be 39 million years old, were found more than a decade ago by Mario Urbina of Lambas University of San Marcos Natural History Museum. A multinational crew excavated the side of a steep rocky cliff for years, revealing 13 vertebrae from the whale's backbone, 4 ribs, and a hip bone. Alberto Coloreda, a paleontologist at the University of Pisa in Italy and one of the study's authors, was astounded by the finding. "The fossils," he says, "are unlike anything I've ever seen." The research team used contemporary technologies to analyze the Parusetus colossus bones after years of painstaking excavation. They used 3D scanners to inspect the surface and even bore through it to see what was within. According to research author Eli Amson, a paleontologist at the State Museum of Natural History in Stuttgart, Germany, the whale's size and weight were approximated based on the vast but fragmentary skeleton. According to the team's findings, the gigantic whale weighed between 94 and 375 tons, with a body length of roughly 66 feet. This puts it in the same weight class as the largest blue whales, which may grow to be over 100 feet long and weigh approximately 200 tons. However, the new find does not just compete in size with the blue whale. Coloreda said that it was possibly the heaviest animal ever, but it was most likely not the longest animal ever. The density of Parusetus colossus bones, which are substantially heavier than those of a blue whale, is one of its most notable characteristics. This specific feature led Amson to the conclusion that the whale lived in shallow coastal waters, similar to other coastal inhabitants such as manatees, which have heavy bones to assist them remain close to the bottom. The lack of the whale's head raises issues about the whale's food and how it managed to support such a massive body. Though others assume Parusetus colossus scavenged along the bottom or ingested vast amounts of krill and small marine animals, Thewissen is skeptical. "I wouldn't be surprised if this thing actually fed in a completely different way than we could ever imagine," he adds. The finding of Parusetus colossus adds to our knowledge of ancient marine life. It gives scientists and fans alike a look into an ancient world when giants roamed the oceans, testing our understanding of nature's limits. Blue whales are members of the baleen family, along with humpback whales and whales. Blue whales may grow to be 100 feet long and weigh up to 200 tons. Their hearts alone may weigh as much as a car. These gorgeous sea creatures are blue-gray in hue, with paler underbellies. They typically feed on krill, which are small shrimp-like organisms. A single adult blue whale may ingest up to 36,000 kilos of krill in a single day during feeding season. Blue whales often live alone or in small groups. They can also produce the loudest sound of any animal. Other whales may hear their sounds from hundreds of kilometers away underwater. Blue whales are difficult to spot and count despite their immense size because they reside and eat in the open ocean, frequently far from land. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Also, hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.